Welcome to the Oxford International School. Assalam-o-Alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. I am your teacher. My name is Nida. So first of all, start with the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is time to rhyme. So let's start. Topic 7. Time to rhyme for nursery class students. Let us have fun with rhyming words. Mat, rat, hat. In this rhyming letter is at. Sun, bun, run. In this rhyming letter is un. Up, pup, cup. In this rhyming letter is up. Mum, yum, drum. In this rhyming letter is Activity 1. Drag the pictures to the correct boxes. UG, MUG, mug. JUG, jug. SUN, sun. BUN, bun. RAT, rat. HAT, hat. CUP, cup. PUP, pup. Excellent. Let's start singing. Hickory dickory dock. Where did the mouse run? The mouse ran up the clock, and then the mouse ran down the clock. Next is Humpty Dumpty. Let's sing. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. On horse. Excellent. Where was Humpty Dumpty sitting? Humpty Dumpty was sitting on a wall. Where is the jug? The jug is on the table. Where is the mouse? The mouse is under the table. Where is the parrot? The parrot is in the cage. Excellent. Activity 2. Click the correct answer. The rocket is going up. The ball is falling down. The eggs are in the nest. The cat ran up the hill. The box is on the table. The boy is on the chair. Teddy is under the bed. The toy is in the box. Congratulations, you have completed your topic 7. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Allah Hafiz.